Signori e signori, cooking Thai class oggi, 7 dishes, oggi facciamo 7 piatti.
You learn how to make the curry. This one you make it by yourself. Are you happy with the menu now? Would you like to change? No. Fine. Now I'll take you around the market together. And this one is the papaya. Can you see? The papaya salad today. We use this kind of papaya. It's the same one with the normal one that we have. Can you see? The normal one that you have at home, the orange one, but this is still not ripe, you know. Unripe papaya or still young, different texture. It's similar to the cucumber, that one. If you don't have this one, no problem. Use cucumber instead for the papaya salad. Just same seasoning. How to make the soup? Then they call soup set or soup package. Every soup wrapped together with lemongrass. You can see this on the soup set with lemongrass, a lot of things together. Okay, coffee, lime leaf, ginger, and turmeric. We use a lot today for more flavor. Okay, yeah, that one for more nice flavor. If you have to boil first to bring out the smell. This is about the mushroom, okay? Can you see? The king oyster mushroom, we use a lot today for cooking, can you see? And we use this one for the texture, especially in your spring roll today, you know. And your soup, every soup with this kind of mushroom. The king oyster mushroom, because here, just the normal oyster mushroom. But this one, king oyster mushroom, they are different. And we don't use substitute too, okay? Many people choose a glass noodle salad today. This is a glass noodle. And you see, the glass noodle made from the mung bean. For someone diet, you know, they're gonna eat this one instead of rice, okay? Because they're from like vegetable noodle, okay? Very healthy than the other kinds of rice and other kind of noodle. And now this one the tofu, okay? Normally tofu is white like this, but today white tofu is yellow. Why it looks so yellow like this? Do you know? Because they soak in the turmeric water to get the colors. Okay. But if you cut it inside still white, you know. Okay. And then this one. Alan, can you help me?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
This one I can do. Okay, L1, we talk about the bird eye chili in the green curry, right? This one, the most spicy chili in Thailand, the small chili. Bird and eye chili, very rich. Like you not try some? Open your mouth.
Yeah,
Why
no,
not?
maybe later.
But more spicy, more sexy.
Yeah, I eat a lot of spicy.
Okay, no problem. And this one is about the green bean or long bean today. And we use a lot this one for the papaya salad, okay? Or for the stir fry. Today, we use for the texture only. I think it tastes like the normal green bean that you have it. Green bean or snake bean, okay? And now, lime, I think you know it. Regular lime, the one you have at home. And this is they call the coffee lime in the bumpy skin. They use for more flavor in the curry paste. Normally, this lime juice we don't use for cooking, but we use the skin only. Okay? Sometimes people they make the juice of this one for hair, but shampoo it will make your hair look shiny and beautiful, like my hair.
Oh.
No, I use Pantene. Okay, you know Pantene from 7-Eleven. I use that one. Okay, one and then this one the sun-dried shrimp we use in your pad thai today. Can you eat it? So small, they use for more flavor. Also in the papaya salad too. They look so cute, but so sad. They died too early. They cannot grow up anymore. So sad. Like it's okay. They died for good reason. So we eat them all together. Okay. And this is the basil. You know basil? The Thai basil. This one I think you can get everywhere in the world. You know, smell like the aniseed or licorice. You know, licorice red. Okay, it smells so good. Okay. Or people said that the smell like sambuca. Do you know sambuca?
Oh,
yeah,
yes.
smell like that one. Okay, do you like sambuca? Okay, maybe, right? Okay. Because to the stir fry holy basil or the hot basil leaf, this one is the hot basil. It smells hot like the black pepper, but tastes not hot at all, you know. Oh my god, I like it. Okay, you know spring onion, right? This one from the shallot. Okay, this one coriander, the normal one you have at home. But what kind of this coriander? Have you seen before?
Oh.
No.
This one is also coriander. You know, we call salt juice coriander, also leaf coriander. You can smell, can come closer. Many people they don't like coriander. I mean somebody, but they eat a coriander today. Or cilantro, how you call it? Another cilantro, another kind. Okay, And then this is the normal ginger, the one you have it, right? And what's about this one? What kind of ginger? Galango or Thai ginger, and they use for more flavor in the curry paste today. Normally, this one we're not gonna eat them, you know, but if you want to eat it, we blend small and put into the curry paste for nice fragrance, okay? Oh my god, you can smell. It smells like something sweet, like the sugar can, okay? Sugar can sauce. Okay,นะคะ. I love it so much, that one. You like it? If you like it, I like it too. Okay, okay. This one, the normal garlic, the one you have at home. Can you see? And what's about this one? Have you seen it before? The Thai garlic, you know, when you use it, we use the whole skin, you need to peel. And this one, the Chinese garlic, before you put it to peel, the skin is tough. Cannot use it. But this one, we see the texture. After you fried it, the skin will be crispy. That's why it didn't peel at all. Okay. Here is a tamarind. It's kind of fruit and taste sour. We can use for seasoning. Same function with the vinegar. You know, right? Vinegar. Tamarind. After you boil it, you get a sauce and you put that sauce to your pad thai, like that one. Okay, and the local food in Chiang Mai, people always think about the khao soy. Have you tried it before? Never? Very. I want to show you something. They're typical in Chiang Mai too. Let's follow me.
Lo so, oggi lo faccio a modo mio, alla pugliese.
Sì.
Papà, di la verità, ti piace sta ragazza thailandese, eh? Che è un bel mezzo ragazzo.
I want this one is kind of like the Chiang Mai sausage, okay? The local style, okay? How to make it? They marinate the minced pork with a lot of herbs, you know, with the lemongrass, the galango, garlic, shallot, onion, and salt chili too, with salt, okay, about one night, and then after that they steam. Me too. I have time for you to see around the market, about 5 minutes, okay? You see around here, about the food store, and when you are done, you come back to me here. Also, don't go back with another cooking school too. Don't go back with them. Okay, what's my name again? I am my name. Okay, give me 10 minutes. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye. Okay, thank you.
So in this Chiang Mai market, ladies and gentlemen, we go basically to shop for our cooking with Ames Thai cooking class, and everything is so fresh and so cheap. So guys, if you have the chance to go to Chiang Mai, go to one of the big fresh markets. Best thing is to go in the morning, and you find so much variety of veggies, spices, fruits, dishes, local food everywhere, and all costs under $2. And also, if you see at the fruits, everything is really fresh, and I really recommend doing this. And there's a lot of this kind of markets in Chiang Mai. Chiang Mai is big, and it's very good to go early in the morning, as I mentioned.
And then you move the oil around and move your booty. Move your booty. And stir all the time because it's gonna burn. Remember this step. Half one, okay? Half fish sauce, half soy sauce, and half oyster sauce. And also 1 sugar. Yes. Everyone, when I said 1 sugar, is that in this table? Only. Yes, number 2, mushroom and tofu in. Before everyone, I recommend just only this bed, a little shave, because we try every bed before, and then this one is the best. No promotion. You take it off, and then you peel one, then you touch both sides. You will feel soft side and rough side. Touch it. It's okay. This is mine. Yes. And then you roll it. Roll until you got like the triangle shape, and then you use your finger, make it tight in the middle, and then you cross both sides to the middle like this, and then you make just a little pinch of the corner to protect the oil come inside your spring roll filling, and then you roll, and then this one, wheat flour mixed with water. But if you cannot find the wheat flour, you can use bitter egg. It's okay. And then roll. Well done. Wow.
Yeah. Come si chiama questo piatto, Fabio?
Latgai sarebbe carne, un'insalata di carne macinata, menta, cipolline, coriandolo.
Wrap your spring roll and drop into the oil. We use medium to low, see? Not the high heat at all. One hand grab your handle and flip it slowly.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
I'll cut for you. We crack and then we cut in one time.
Ah, like pizza.
Yeah, like pizza. If you make slowly, it's break and not beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah. But it's hot. You have to be careful. But don't worry, I got the elephant skin already. I cut it.
Very good.
Oh my god. Crack and cut.
You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy, where did you go?
For your video.
Oh,
your
yes.
video too. Looking forward to see a lot. Right now, so from you cut this on 4 or 5. Straight like 4 because 1, 2, 3, 4. Both of them the same.
Perfect.
And put together with your camera.
Oh my god.
My god.
Wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine.
1 and 1.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. Can you remember half 1, half? Okay, sure.
Show me.
1, 2, 3.
You have no idea what you did to me.
Too much. I was too excited.
Pretty bit on to medium, please. Not high. Again.
New chicken.